As Vice President of the European Parliament, I am delighted to voice my support for Mr. Janez Janša and the Slovenian Democratic Party, which is part of our European People's Party. Slovenia has an extremely valuable role within the European Union. Let's not forget that Slovenia was the first former Yugoslav republic to become a European Union member, the first of the new member states to join the Eurozone, and the first former communist country to host the Council of the European Union Presidency. Mr. Janša was Prime Minister of Slovenia throughout the 6-month presidency in 2008, which proved to be a productive and successful period. Despite these considerable achievements by a hard-working nation, Slovenia, like many other member states, finds itself in severe financial hardship, with heavy debts and a high unemployment rate. It is clear that a new government, a strong and solid coalition, is needed as soon as possible in order for changes to be made and for recovery to become a reality. Any government in a time of crisis needs strong leadership. I believe Mr. Janša is the man to help steer Slovenia back on track. The Slovenian Democratic Party Crisis Management Programme, presented in June, shows a commitment to and belief in fairness, jobs and vital economic growth. Therefore, I express my full support to the Slovenian Democratic Party and its president at the upcoming elections.